Good morning students. Today let us know about the modes of reproduction. Modes means types. So simply types of reproduction. Students, in our previous video we have seen that different organisms reproduce differently, right? So definitely there are various ways of reproduction, but all those ways of reproduction can be categorized into two heads, that is sexual or asexual. Got it? So simply we can say reproduction is broadly divided into two types, that is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Got it? So we shall see sexual reproduction first. See students, this is the general schema of sexual reproduction. In this type, we find two parents, a male parent and a female parent. Both the parents, they produce sex cells called gametes. Male parent produces male gametes called sperms. Female parent produces female gametes called egg or ovum. Got it? These gametes, they fuse by a process called fertilization and forms a unicellular structure called zygote. So what is the fusion product of ovum and sperm? That is zygote, and it is unicellular. The process of fusion is fertilization. This zygote now rapidly divides and forms a multicellular structure called embryo. Got it? This embryo then further divides and develops into the baby organism. Got it, students? So this is the general schema of sexual reproduction in most of the organisms. Now students, this baby organism neither looks like female parent nor male parent exactly. It gets the blend of characters and also new characters. That is because during the fusion of gametes, what is happening? The nucleus of ovum and sperm are mixed up. And so due to this blending, the baby gets blend of characters as well as some new characters. Got it, students? So in sexual reproduction, the babies are not exact copies of parents. Got it? This is about sexual reproduction. Now let us see asexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, we find only one parent, and that parent forms the baby organisms. Here there is no formation of gametes, formation of zygote, embryo, etc. Directly the parent organism forms the baby organisms. Got it? The method may vary. There are various ways of asexual reproduction, but only one parent will be there, and that parent forms the baby organisms. If you see here, this is amoeba forming the baby organisms by a process called binary fission. What is binary fission? Splitting of an organism into two organisms, right? See here, this is the mother amoeba. This amoeba grows in size. See here, it has grown up. Then it splits its nucleus into two. Then it splits the cytoplasm into two. As a result, two daughter organisms are formed. Got it, students? So this is what is asexual reproduction in amoeba. There are different modes of asexual reproduction, but the general schema is like this. One single parent giving rise to the daughter organisms. Got it, students? And the most important thing is the offsprings, the baby organisms, they look exactly like that of their parent, because there is only one parent who is donating the nucleus, right? So there is no blending of blending with other nucleus. So definitely the characters will be that of the parent. So here we find the Xerox copies of parent, and here we find variations. Got it, students? So this is about sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Now take a fast look at the differences. Asexual reproduction, it is one parent. Here two parents. Gametes are not formed, gametes are produced. No fusion of gametes, fusion of gametes. Zygote is not formed, zygote is formed. Young ones are exactly like parents, they are not exactly like parents, they show new characters. Got it? Now where do we find sexual reproduction? It is seen in case of lower plants and primitive animals. In sexual reproduction, that is seen in higher plants and higher animals. Got it, students? So I hope you understood the differences well. Now, so far we have seen that reproduction is of two types, asexual and sexual. So In asexual reproduction, we find various ways. I told no, amoeba reproduces by binary fission, but there are various other ways by which asexual reproduction takes place. So what are the different ways? Let us see the list here. Fission, budding, fragmentation, parthenogenesis, regeneration, spore formation, tissue culture, vegetative propagation. In vegetative propagation, again there are two types: natural vegetative propagation, artificial vegetative propagation. So we shall see about these methods one after the other in the next coming up videos. Got it, students? So after finishing asexual reproduction, we shall go to sexual reproduction in human beings. Got it, students? So this is about reproduction and the types of reproduction. Got it, students? I hope you understood. Thank you.